Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to our series where we unveil the transformative advice hidden in remarkable books. Today, we're taking a journey through your erroneous zones, step-by-step advice for escaping the trap of negative thinking and taking control of your life, by the incredible Dr. Wayne Dyer. Let's venture into the paths that lead to a freer, happier you. Practical advice. Breaking away from the approval-seeking. Set boundaries. Learn to say no when something doesn't align with your priorities or values. Self-validation. Create a list of personal achievements and qualities to remind yourself of your worth. Refer to it whenever self-doubt creeps in. Limit social media. Reduce your time on platforms that induce comparison. Instead, focus on real-life interactions and personal growth. Avoiding the victim mindset. Take responsibility. Whenever you face an obstacle, ask yourself, what can I do about this? Instead of looking for someone or something to blame. Empowerment exercises. Engage in activities that strengthen your decision-making and problem-solving abilities, such as strategic games or group discussions. Dealing with procrastination. Break tasks into steps. Make a daunting task more manageable by dividing it into smaller steps, then tackle one step at a time. Set timers. Use tools like the Pomodoro technique where you work intensively for 25 minutes and then take a 5-minute break. Shifting from the past and future to the present. Mindful activities. Incorporate activities like coloring, gardening, or playing a musical instrument which demand your full attention. Limit regretful or anxious thoughts. When you find yourself ruminating on the past or worrying about the future, redirect your mind by focusing on your senses. What can you hear, see, or feel right at that moment? Independence from the opinions of others. Feedback filters. Not all feedback is valuable. Create a mental filter. Only consider opinions from people who genuinely wish the best for you. Affirmation boards. Create a board or a digital album with affirmations, compliments, and achievements. Go through it periodically to reinforce your self-worth. Facing fears head-on. Exposure in small doses. If you have a particular fear, try facing it in controlled, small doses. For instance, if you fear public speaking, start with speaking to small groups. Fear journal. Document your fears and track your progress in confronting and overcoming them. Celebrate small victories. Eliminating self-doubt and building confidence. Skills enhancement. Enroll in courses or workshops to master areas you feel less confident in. Celebrate small wins. Even minor achievements can give a significant confidence boost. Celebrate them and acknowledge your progress. Understanding and controlling anger. Deep breathing. Whenever you feel anger rising, take deep breaths, counting to 10 during each inhale and exhale. Seek understanding. Instead of reacting immediately, try to understand the root of your anger. Is it truly about the current situation or is it related to a past event? Before we get to the conclusions, remember to like and subscribe. Conclusion. As we wrap up our deep dive into the enlightening world of Your Erroneous Zones, by Dr. Wayne Dyer, we hope you are feeling empowered and equipped with actionable advice to steer clear of the negative thinking traps. Remember, the journey to freedom begins with the first step. Take that step today, and transform your life into a beacon of positivity and joy. Thanks for watching.